Wanna guarantee you'll be broke forever? I've got exactly what you need. 7 proven habits that will absolutely destroy your financial future. And here's the thing, you're probably doing at least 3 of these right now, especially number 7. Number 7 is so effective at keeping you poor. It's actually socially acceptable. You're probably doing it right now while watching this video, but we'll get to that nightmare later. Let's start with habit number 1, and trust me, this one's a fan favorite. Habit 1, invest in your image first. Listen, everyone knows that looking successful is more important than being successful. That's why you need the newest iPhone every single year, even though your current phone works perfectly fine. And here's the beautiful part. You can't just stop at the phone. You need a complete package. Designer clothes, luxury car you can barely afford, that watch that costs more than 3 months of rent, because nothing says I'm financially responsible quite like spending $1,200 on sneakers you're terrified to actually wear. The financial advisors hate this trick. Pro tip, if you're not spending at least 40% of your income on looking rich, are you even trying to stay poor? Habit 2, loyal to brands. Now, this one is crucial. Brand loyalty isn't just about preferences. It's about identity. It's about never ever considering generic alternatives, even though they're literally the same product, made in the same factory. Why would you save $12 on laundry detergent when you could pay extra for the emotional validation of seeing that logo in your shopping cart? This applies to everything. Coffee, only Starbucks. Soda, only Coca-Cola. Phones, only iPhone. We already covered that. Groceries, only name brands. Over the course of a year, brand loyalty can cost you an extra $3,000 to $5,000. That's $5,000 you successfully didn't invest, save, or use to build wealth. Congratulations, you're doing amazing. Habit 3. Accept every invitation. This one's sneaky because it feels like you're being a good friend. Your co-worker's birthday dinner at that expensive restaurant? Absolutely. Your friend's destination wedding in Bali? Of course. The bachelor party in Vegas, the baby shower, the housewarming, someone's second housewarming because they renovated. You wouldn't want to be the person who says no, right? Here's the thing about social obligations. They're unlimited. Your budget is not, but if you say yes to everything, you can easily spend $500 to $800 per month on things you didn't even want to do. The secret is never setting boundaries. Financial boundaries are for people who want to retire early, and we're not about that life. Quick reminder, we still haven't covered habit number 7, the big one, the one you're definitely doing right now. But patient, good things come to those who wait. Habit 4. Educate yourself constantly. Now, this is where it gets really good. See, successful people invest in education, so you should too. That $997 course on real estate investing, buy it, even though you don't own property. That $1,500 cryptocurrency masterclass, need it, even though you barely understand Bitcoin. The $2,000 business coaching program, essential, even though you haven't finished the last program you bought. Here's the beautiful part. You now have 47 courses in your library. You've completed 2% of them. You've spent $8,000, but you feel educated. And that feeling, that's what keeps you poor. Because the course isn't the problem. Buying courses instead of applying the information is like buying a gym membership and eating donuts in the parking lot. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Habit 5. Keep your options open. Commitment is scary. What if you pick the wrong investment? What if you lock your money away and miss out on something better? This is why you should keep all your money liquid in your checking account, earning 0.01% interest while inflation eats away 3% per year. But hey, you've got options. You could invest in stocks, but what if they go down? You could buy real estate, but what if you need that money? You can start a business, but that's so risky. So instead, you keep everything in maybe mode. 20 years later, your options are still open, and congrats, your money has grown. But actually, with inflation, it's worth less. Perfect. Habit 6, trust your job completely. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Your job is everything. Your sole source of income, your identity, your security blanket. Side hustles, that's for people who don't respect their employer. Passive income streams? It's a scam. Your job would never, ever, ever let you down. Oh wait, they just downsized. But it's fine because you have your emergency fund of $387 to cover your $2,800 monthly expenses while you look for another job that will also be your only source of income. The circle of life. Except sadder and more financially devastating. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Habit 7. Reward yourself for working hard. This is the masterpiece, the crown jewel of staying poor forever. You work hard, right? 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week. You deserve to treat yourself. You got a raise? Time to upgrade the car. That extra $500 a month, perfect for the new car payment. You got a promotion? Bigger apartment. You got a bonus? Vacation to Europe, guys. This is called lifestyle creep. It's magnificent. See, as your income grows, your expenses grow right with it. Sometimes faster. You're making 40% more than you did 5 years ago, but somehow you have less money at the end of the month. It's like magic. Black magic. The beautiful thing about this habit is that it feels completely justified. You worked hard. You earned it. You deserve it. Meanwhile, your future self is literally screaming at you from the future. But you can't heal them because you're too busy enjoying your new lifestyle. This is why people who make $100,000 a year can be just as broke as people making $40,000 a year. The math stays the same. Income minus lifestyle expenses equals 0, or worse, negative. Every single time you level up financially, instead of saving the difference, you upgrade your life to match. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of the financial treadmill. Running faster, going nowhere. So there you have it, 7 flawless habits to guarantee financial struggle for life. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, should I actually avoid these habits? Do whatever you want. I'm an animated character.